Hi, I'm Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. Today I'd love to describe for you a great mommy makeover case that I performed a few years back on a beautiful 33-year-old mother of twins, as well as a third pregnancy. She was referred by another patient of mine who I did something similar for, and that's, by the way, my favorite way to get new patients. Just do a great job on the patient sitting in front of me. And that's what we did for her. She desired to have a breast lift and augmentation to bump her up from a 34 C cup to a D cup. We did that by performing a lift as well as using 350 cc cohesive silicone gel implants, otherwise known as gummy bear implants. The next thing we did is an umbilical hernia repair. That is a common finding among moms, and we did that as part of her tummy tuck, where we improved her diastasis or split muscles, which is almost a given following a twin pregnancy, but also notice a severe amount of skin laxity and stretch marks in her lower abdomen. That's pretty typical of a mother of twins, and she was quite happy to get rid of that. The 360 liposuction was icing on the cake to fine-tune her curves. You can see that the overall effect is profound. Her pre-pregnancy body is restored, maybe even enhanced beyond that, and she's one happy mom. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles.